All right, question number 1. You are planning on putting new carpet into the master bedroom and master closet. The price per square foot of the carpet is $1.34 per square foot. Determine how much you will need to pay for the carpet. Show your work in the space below. So in this table below, we're going to name the shape, the formula, equation, and answer, just like we've been doing with the simple shapes. So I have highlighted for you the composite area of the master bedroom and the master closet. And now we have to look at this composite figure and visualize those simple geometric shapes. So the first one would be right here. That would be our rectangle. And I highlighted that in red, or I kind of made it a red rectangle for you so you could see it. And I put the name of the shape down in the table below. So you'll type in the word rectangle. You're then going to type in the formula for a rectangle. A equals length times width, or LW. Then we write the equation. A equals, and sorry, that little thing is going to go away in just a second. There we go. A equals 11 feet times 12 feet. And we can see that up in the diagram up on the top. 11 feet is at the top, 12 feet is on the side. And when we multiply that, we get area equals 110 feet squared. So make sure you put in that little 2. You go up to format, go down to text, go over to subscript, and you type in that little 2 up there. You have to have the little 2 because the area is that whole yellow part within that red rectangle. Okay, so the next shape that I'm going to identify is this shape right here. It's the other part of the master bedroom. And that actually is a square. How do I know it's a square? Because one side is 7 and the other side is 7 feet. So when I have two sides like this, my length and my width are both 7 feet, I know that the other two sides are 7 feet as well. And if each side is the same, that's a square. My area for a square is A equals S squared. It's still, if we look at the rectangle, it's still length times width, but the formula for square is area equals S squared. I then, sorry that thing keep popping up, put that in my formula. So my side is 7. So area equals 7 foot squared. And then what I do with that is I multiply 7 times 7. Because when you have a number that's squared, you go ahead and you multiply it by itself. So area equals 49 feet squared. And that is the area of that blue section right there. Oops, and here's my next section, which is my master closet. It's a rectangle. And I go ahead and put my formula for a rectangle. Area equals length times width. I put in my dimensions or fill in my equation. Area equals 5 feet times 7 feet. I can see that from the blueprints above. And 5 times 7 is 35. So my area is 35 feet squared. So this is how we've done this. Now, I'm not done yet because I need to find the total area for the master bedroom and the master closet. So what I do is I take my area from my rectangle, my square, and my other rectangle, and I add them all up together to get the total area of the room, which when I add 110, 49, and 35, I get 194 feet squared. So the master bedroom and master closet, the area is 194 feet squared. Now I plan on putting carpet in there, and I need to know how much my carpet's going to cost. My carpet costs $1.34 per square foot, which means I am going to take my 194 feet squared, multiply it by $1.34 to get the price of my carpet, which is $259.96. And that is how you do question number 1. Now we know how much carpet costs to put in this house for the master closet and the master bedroom. How exciting is that? And now if your carpet was all different, like let's say you could get a cheaper carpet, then you know exactly how much it's going to cost before you go to the store to try and start pricing it. When you're looking at your budget, and you're wanting to recarpet something, you know now how to do it, how to figure it all out. Isn't that great? This is exciting. This is how composite figures, finding the area of composite figures deals or works in your life right now. Pretty cool.